What's going on, guys? Chump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. As you can see, we're setting up the 3D printing over here in the corner. Once again, I'm going to be opening the store very soon in Misfit Mining Discord. If you guys are interested, link will be down in the description below. But either way, what do you guys think? This took forever. This literally took me all night. This is the next day. It was just absolutely awful. I organized everything finally. Definitely needed to happen, so I'm pumped about that. I got all the bins labeled actually, so that's a huge plus. I moved some frames over here where those bins actually were, which looks quite nice, to be honest. And then I moved some cabinets right there, or the Craftsman ones I had on the shelf where the 3D printers are. Stacked up all the flooring, all next to the grow tent in there, and it actually creates a nice insulation between the grow tent and the wall, so it's not as loud as it is in here. Let's check this guy. 27 degrees Celsius, 81 Fahrenheit. This thing is still heating my house. The L7 from muskminers.com. Also, I do have a coupon code for Musk Miners. If you guys are interested, check out the link down there. All right. Anyways, what do you guys think about the 3D printed store? Do you guys like these collars? Should I add these to them? I have purple, green. We can do yellow, orange. There's a whole bunch of different colors. But yeah, I'm just kind of debating between what we should actually do. Then you can see I have created a mini Doge or a mini box miner stand. Now this is going to obviously hold the bottom of the Doge miner from scratching the shit out of the bottom of it, because I am so sick of doing that myself. And then obviously it's going to save you on the resale value if you're not scratching the crap out of the units. If you ever go to resell it, it's going to look brand new. So you could do what Bitmain does and mine on the machines for a while and then claim it to be new once you clean it up. See that? Perfect. Now we have, this is the orange cone, that's the yellow cone. I don't know if you guys would be interested in those. Some people were asking me to continue this Bitcoin coaster or continue printing it. So I don't know if you guys want that. I could do that. I'm going to make a Misfit Mining one as well. And then, yeah, guys, that's really it. I'm just killing myself trying to get this store up and going because I miss printing stuff to a point. Even though it's a pain, 8 is going to be a lot easier to manage than 12. I had 12, I gave 1 to 56, and I have 3 more right here that if I need to turn them on, I will. But this is going to be print to order, so if anyone's interested, again, let me know in the comments below if there's anything specific you would like designed. It took me a few days to learn how to use CAD, but once I learned how to do it, I was able to design the stuff that we're printing now, so I'm pretty happy about that. All right, so let me get this L7 out of this grow tent right here, and I want to show you guys what I came up with for these. So while I get this out of here, today's video is sponsored by muskminers.com. They provide a wide range of cryptocurrency services such as hassle-free server hosting, consulting, and competitive crypto mining hardware from all of the top profitable miners on the market currently. Musk Miners has been operating in the mining business since early 2017. They have now been professionally selling ASIC miners for more than 2 years and are 100% US based. Please go check out muskminers.com for all of your crypto mining needs. All right, here we are, L7 on the desk. Now, the only reason I'm moving this around is because I put some Velcro pads on the bottom just to space it, because if you guys can see right here, kinda scratches all over my wood desk. And that's from between the OCTOMINERs and these units in general. They always scratch my desk and it drives me insane. And obviously I can't fix that now without sanding it and staining it myself. So that sucks, but I'm going to solve that problem today, and I want to show you guys what I just came up with. Now, as you guys might know, these things are quite heavy, like 40 or 50 pounds or so, depending. I think the actual Bitcoin miners are a little heavier, but either way, I want to show you guys what I actually created to solve my issue, to keep these things, for 1, from scratching my desk, 2, keep them off the ground, and 3, be able to hold this unit in my hands without having to get my fingers underneath it when it's on a shelf, like reaching for it. So these right here are going to be the brand new Misfit Mining handle stands that are going to be 3D printed, and they're going to go right here in between the ASIC fan. And this is more or less universal on all of these 120 millimeter server fans. Now, they all have this gap in the screw pass through. Even if they don't, you can break out this middle part. It's super easy. Just grab it with pliers and it cracks right off. But the big boy ASICs have this gap, and it should not be affected in any way. It's a tight fit, but it fits perfect. Let me throw this thing on and show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, so that's only one on. Obviously, I could put 4 of them on this unit, and I recommend definitely having at least 2, one on the front and one on the back, so you can pick it up with 2 hands instead of just hanging it from one. But this thing is a perfect handle, and again, it acts as a footing, keeping it off the ground, being able to allow this unit to be resold and not be all scratched up when you go to resell it. It's only going to improve the value of that. So let me get the other ones on, and I'll show you guys how good these things are. Now tell me that doesn't look absolutely fantastic. As you can see, I got the shrouds here because I'm heating my house with this unit, but either way, these handles in the stand, having a clearance off the ground, not scratching the crap out of the bottom of a $10,000 unit anymore, obviously for resale purposes, and then just being able to glide it around on my desk and not have it scratch the crap out of anything. Also, these things are super sturdy. As you can see, I can hold it with one hand. I don't recommend doing this with one hand in case it does break, but it should be more than good for you to either pull it off a shelf or reach it and grab the unit, and then obviously grab it with 2 hands. So yeah, it should be more than fine to lift it with one hand if you absolutely have to, but again, obviously use caution. This is only going through these screws right here. The good thing about this is they should not be affected by heat at all, because obviously the heat is being cooled down right here from this fan. It's just pass-throughing, like literally this isn't touching anything metal directly, and it's not getting transferred to heat. So I'm gonna leave these on my unit now that I have it actually secured to it, so I'm super pumped about that. Let me know what you guys think about this. I was just trying to find something that was super useful for miners in general, for ASIC miners, and I just think resale value, if you have a couple stands at least, not scratching the shit out of your unit, is totally worth it. So you guys can let me know. I'll leave the link to the store down in the description below if you guys are interested to this. Again, I appreciate all you guys for watching. I will be adding some more things to it at some point, but until then, hopefully you guys stay safe, have a good day, and I'll catch you guys real soon. Peace.